Say hi, Sven. This is my little baby Sven. He is gonna help me do an episode today. Yeah, he loves having fun in the bath. So we're in a bathtub right now. I wanted to do an episode to show you how we treat his eczema, because most babies have eczema now, I see. So this is our routine, and I just wanted to let you know it's really effective and it keeps it away. His little scabbies on the head is not eczema. It's actually from an allergic reaction from the antibiotics. So if you see that, that's what that is. And this routine works great for that and all rashes too. So the products I have are right here. This is the Shusha line that I really like, with one Kin Organics product in here as well. And so usually we hang out in the bath. You want to use a lukewarm to cooler tepid water if your baby has a lot of eczema or is prone to it, because if you actually use warmer or hotter water, it will actually aggravate the eczema and make it more angry. So we don't want to do that. So we want to use on the tepid water side. And then after you're done the bath, well actually while you're in the bath, you're going to be using this. This is a Sensitive Skin Organic bath wash for babies. This one is really gentle. It has coconut oil in here. It's non-GMO, non-gluten, non-dairy. It's vegan, no petrochemicals. It's 100% biodegradable, no perfumes or fragrances. This one is the lavender vanilla version. There's also an unscented version, but even with the lavender vanilla version, it's actually all natural essential oils. So it has the lavender and vanilla leaf extract in here, and it has arrowroot powder, sucrose, calendula. So it's very calming. It doesn't sud up and it doesn't bubble up like a bubble bath. So you'll just see it kind of in the water. It makes the water a little bit more murky. And then what we usually do in the water is we take an organic, really soft towel, and then we wash. And we wipe. And so you want to make sure you use a really soft towel, nothing harsh. And then when we come out, we bundle him up in a nice cozy tiger bath towel, right, boo-boo? Yeah, your bath towel. And then while his skin is kind of still damp, and not fully dried yet, while it's just only towel dried, you want to lather him up with a lot of this oil. This is the Calm Baby Calendula oil. It comes in, again, unscented or lavender vanilla, and then we just lather him up. Like, you just want to give them a nice massage after their bath, and lather. We actually do this lathering all day long as well, because we're in the winter right now. So being in the winter in Canada, it's really dry. So we want to make sure we lather him up lots all the time, because it depletes. Humidifiers also help a lot in the air if you have a humidifier running, and we just put it everywhere. So then we'll be doing it all over his or her body, everywhere, lots. Put on the diaper, and then we want to put on the moisturizer cream. So this was the unscented version, but again, it comes with the lavender vanilla, and we're gonna lather all over again. So I'll just put some on him now since we have the oil. The oil actually really helps the cream, and the cream really helps the oil. And they're very pleasant. The babies love it. It's very pleasant. It has colloidal oatmeal in it. So it's really great for sensitive skins. And there's actually, this line is actually doctor recommended, and everything is food grade. So you have really a lot of peace of mind. It's organic. If the baby eats it, that's okay, right? And then baby might smush it in your mouth too, and then you might eat it too. And it's all okay, but it's not yummy, Okay, so then we did that. Now, if he's having an eczema flare-up, they do have an organic baby eczema healing balm. They have an adult version and a baby one. They have an anti-itch balm. And boo-boo. Like, we love their lip balm, right? Yeah, Mama's hands are kind of greasy now, but we love their lip balm. Can we put some lip balm on? When we're putting on lip balm, we want to make sure the lips are still kind of damp too. See, look at him. Sometimes he loves his lip balm, but sometimes he doesn't. So if he doesn't, then you just put it on yourself. And what do we do, boo-boo? We give a kiss. But Mama has lipstick on right now, so that's not a good idea. So then, throughout the day, we also like to incorporate some more moisture. So we use the Balm stick. This one is from Kin Organics. I like this one a lot too. I tried out all the organic baby brands before he was born. And then let's put this Balm stick all over. And this would be throughout the day. So really, yeah, if you do have a baby with sensitive skin, you do have to keep lathering him up all day long. Unless, I guess, you live in a really humid and hot climate, then maybe not. But other than that, that's pretty much all we do all day. Right, boo-boo? Yeah? You have all these toys here now. We've never been in the bathtub with no water, so this is all new to Sven. No? Okay. So, also another important thing we want to talk about today, right, boo-boo? Before we sign off, is that we want to make sure everyone knows that laundry detergents are really important as well, and body lotions that are really important as well that the mom uses that because body lotions often get in their mouth or, you know, on their rubs on their skin. If you're wearing something heavily perfumed, that doesn't work amazingly well. It can cause more aggravation and sensitivity. So just fragrance-free stuff works really well. Organic products work really well for the babies so that if they eat it, it's not such a big deal. And then for laundry detergent, their laundry detergent is really important because, you know, the clothes are on them for so long, but for you too. So Shusha does make an organic sensitive skin laundry detergent, and this one works really well for all clothes, adults and our babies alike. And then that way, because you're holding them so much and hugging them so much, if any of the residues transfer, it's not a big deal because then those ones don't really have residue and it doesn't have fragrance and it's all natural. So yeah, that's how we keep eczema under control. And I hope that your baby's eczema heals up really quickly once you've started these steps. If you have any questions for me, you can also send me an email or shoot me a comment down below. But generally, this is it. If you're using medicated creams as well, you can incorporate them into this system. That's fine. It's just that medicated creams, as you know, just shouldn't be used every day because it does thin out the skin and it is a little bit harsher. And your skin does need moisture, so then we just gotta keep slathering that on. Okay, boo-boo, wanna say bye? Honey, wanna say bye? This is his first episode with me, it's so exciting. Let's say bye. Let's go shoot another one. Can we shoot another one? Yeah? Bye-bye. Remember, you go bang, 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 bang. You always do that. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, see you at the next episode. He'll be back.